Good evening everyone, welcome to the Ice Bucket Challenge. I've been nominated so many times now, we had to do something a little bit different for this one. So we're doing the Ice Bucket Challenge. Yeah. We're raising money tonight for Meningitis Now, specifically the Donna Hayes Forever Fund. There'll be a link underneath this video if you're feeling generous. So really, cheers. If anybody is interested and wants to see this again, written live, Adrian and assorted others will be doing it tomorrow night at the Anchor Inn in Lostock Hall, 6th of September, 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock in the evening, so come along for a beer festival. Cheers everyone.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
A good picture here. I'll probably take it to it's gone on camera.
Ready?
Just a minute, it's not on camera now.
Think about here somewhere. God. Right, tell me down. Are we ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm being alive. Oh! Oh!
Bloody hell. Oh, man.
Oh!
I've taken a few here. Meg! That was horrendous. What's that?
Right.
I think I've taken a few here.
So anyway, very refreshing. If you care to give generously, link at the bottom of this video. For tomorrow night, live at the Anchor Inn, Lostock Hall, 8 PM.
With more water.
Oh. Bye everyone.